In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatter on Salesforce, the full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to enhance your collaboration game, Chatter is the tool that brings your team's communication right to your fingertips. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of it. To get started, you'll first need to log into Salesforce. Once you're logged in, locate the app launcher. This is found at the top left of your interface. Simply click on it, type Salesforce Chatter in the search bar, and then select Chatter from the list of options. This will take you directly to the Chatter homepage where the magic happens. Now, let's talk about posting updates. If you want to share a message, click on the Post tab. Here, you can type what you want to say. Feel free to enrich your post by attaching files or inserting links to provide more context or resources to your colleagues. Once you're satisfied with your message, simply hit Share. Moving on to the Poll tab, this feature is a great way to gather opinions quickly. Begin by clicking on Poll, then enter your question. You can add various options for your team to choose from. Don't forget to set a duration for how long you want the poll to be active. And just like that, you're ready to share it with your team. For times when you're seeking specific information or advice, the Question tab is where you want to go. Click on Question and type your inquiry. It's helpful to include details and tags to better categorize your question and make it easier for others to find it. Once shared, keep an eye on the answers you receive. This is a great way to engage collaboratively with your team. Groups play a vital role in Chatter. Whether you decide to join existing groups or create new ones, this is your space for focused collaboration. Within groups, you can post updates, comment on others' posts, and share vital files with team members who need quick access to important documents. Speaking of files, the Files tab is your go-to hub for uploading documents that you want to share. Once uploaded, you can share these files in your posts or within groups to keep everyone up to speed. Don't forget the search function, a powerful tool within Chatter. It allows you to easily find people, groups, posts, or files, greatly simplifying your hunt for specific content or connections. Finally, it's essential to know that Chatter is Salesforce's internal collaboration tool. It's designed for teams to communicate seamlessly, share updates easily, manage files efficiently, and track various records all in one place. So dive in, explore, and connect with your team in this dynamic environment. Happy chattering!